guys, I am Choy, and today we're going to solve this differential equation xy y prime equals to 1 plus y squared when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3 using the separation of variable. First, we separate the variables x and y on the either side of the equation. So xy y prime equals to 1 equals to 1 plus y squared. First, we have to times both sides by 1 over 1 plus y squared para mag-come up tayo sa gatong equation. Xy y prime over 1 plus y squared equals 1 over 1 plus y squared. So, now we can integrate both sides with respect to y and x. So, let's going to integrate this. So, x and y prime over 1 plus y squared dy equals integral of 1 over 1 plus y squared dx. U is equals to 1 plus y squared and du over dy is equals to 2y. Integral of xy y prime over 1 plus y squared dy equals integral of x du over 2u. So integrating both sides give us the ln of 1 plus y squared equals 1/2 ln of x plus c. So where c is the constant integration, so solving for y, we can get this 1 is equal 1 plus y squared is equals to e raised to ln of x over 2 over 2 plus c equals e raised to c times e raised to ln of x over 2. So simplifying this, you can get this 1 plus y squared is equals to a of x raised to 1/2. Ang value ng a kasi e raised to c. So, since non-negative yung both sides, we can drop the absolute value in the right hand side. Now, we can use the initial condition x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3 to solve for a. So 1 plus 3 since y is equals to 3 squared plus a is equals to a of 2 raised to 1/2. 10 is equals to a times square root of 2. So a is equals to 10 over square root of 2. Therefore, the solution to this differential equation xy y prime equals 1 plus y squared with the initial condition of x equals to 2 and y is equals to 3 is 1 plus y raised to 2 equals 10 over square root of 2 x raised to 1/2. Or we can write it as y is equals to 1/2 of square root of 10 of x squared minus 4. So we have here another example. This differential equation is 2y dx equals 3x dy when x is negative 2 and y is equals to 1. So to solve this equation using the method of separable equation, we can rearrange it as dy over dx equals 2y over 3x. So now we can separate these variables on each sides on the equation. So y1 over y dy equals 2 over 3x dx. Next, we can integrate both sides, and the integration is integrate both sides. So we can get this ln of y equals 2/3 ln of x plus c. So where c is the constant of integration. So to find the value of c, we can use the initial condition of x equals negative 2 and y equals 1. So since x is negative 2 and y is 1, substitute lang natin to dito. So ln of y is 1 equals 2/3 ln of negative 2 kasi x is equals to negative 2 plus c. So ln of 1 equals ln of negative 2 raised to 2/3 plus c. ln of 1 equals ln of 2 raised to 2/3 plus c. 0 equals ln of 2 raised to 2/3 plus c. So c is equals to negative ln of 2 raised to 2/3. Now we can substitute the value of c back into the general solution. So dito sa kanina, itong ln of y. So ln of y equals 2/3 ln of x minus ln of 2 raised to 2/3 So simplify. Ln of y equals ln of x raised to 2/3 minus ln of 2 raised to 2/3 simplify natin yan. So, ln of y equals ln of x over 2 raised to 2/3 is to 2/3. Since we are given that y is equals to 1, we can simplify pala natin to sa ano? Kasi y pa siya. Simplify pala natin to. Simplify, so y is equals to ln of, wala na yung ln kasi maging x na lang yan siya. X raised to 2/3 over 2 over 2/3. Pwede rin siya ganito. So, y is equals to x over 2/3. Yan. Since we are given that y is equals to 1, when x is negative 2, we can use this to determine the sign of y. Since we are given that y is equals to 1 when x is negative 2, we can use this to determine the sign of y. So 1 is equals to negative 2 kasi diba yun, kasi y x negative 2 raised to 2/3 over 2 raised to 2/3. So 1 is equals to 2/3 over 2/3. So 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, y must be positive. So we can simplify the expression of y by removing the absolute value. So, tanggalin yung absolute value. So, y is equals to x raised to 2/3 over 2 raised to 2/3. So, pwede mo rin siyang isulat as ganito. So, x over 2 y equals to 2/3. So, ito yung sagot.